Hello people. We've been out getting stuff for the garden, hence why I've got my dirty clothes on. And we went past the Asian shop and we always told my wife to keep it under 300. Guess what she did? Made it 199. 200. Let's have a look, see what we got here. This stuff is meant to get rid of scars on your arms and stuff. Small pots.
What is it?
We got fried tofu pots. We have hot pot, is it, or noodles? Instant hot pot, wet instant vermicelli noodles. We have some giant mandarins. Hey, see if we can juggle. We have meatballs for hot pot. These are delicious, really yummy. We have some more noodles. Some rice flour. And this is for hot pot. This is like not a hot one. And this is for hot pot, but this is a hot one. So on one side of the hot pot we go like for kids and for me a little bit. And I do like a hot one, but oh my god, it can be hot. These are for rice, for hot pot. They're like noodles all tied in knots. They're actually tied in knots. What else we got here? We got a popcorn thing to try. So you put the oil, this oil here in the pan, and then you put the popcorn in there, and of course you put a lid on it, and then he said add that next. We're gonna try that. Mushrooms, we love these mushrooms. They're like, you make them into scallops. What are they called? Oyster mushrooms, that's right. Did you dent the can to get it cheaper?
No.
Did you dent it to get it cheaper? What have we got here? What are they called, darling? Rambutan. Rambutan. They look like these little furry things. Hey! Bag one. Oh, I lost an orange. Then we got some kangkong. This is really, really good. Very good for your health. These little rolls are very yummy.
Cheese.
So, what are they?
Cheese.
They're cheese. So she had to buy the whole box. Alright, this cake. I don't know if this cake is going to be any good. It needs to be eaten. I'm pretty bloody good. One of the boys are trying to ring me from work. They want to ask me a question. Does the nail go here? Does the dim go there?
What's this?
What's what did I chop?
More tofu.
More tofu bar. What's this one?
Here, Asian fish.
And how much did that cost? $5? You're in so much trouble. Okay, now into the next bag. Very yummy. This is a sauce you see us use all the time. Very delicious on noodles. You can turn 2-minute noodles into a complete meal by just adding some celery, some hot sauce, some ABC ketchup. Maybe you show them how to turn like a 2-minute noodle into a meal.
And lime.
Lime. Some crackers. Some more crackers and chips. Wow, holy moly's crikey-a-molies.
Which one then?
I know where they're going. They're all going in my belly. I brought this to marinate the little chickens. Got some little chickens in the freezer. I'm gonna get them out and marinate them. Coffee, mate. Mate, would you like a coffee, mate? Hey, mate. Hey, mate. G'day, mate. Would you like a coffee, mate? What is this? This is a jelly thing.
Dessert.
This goes in the
Hot pot.
hot pot. It may look like it's disgusting, like a Freddy Krueger face or something. It's soybean roll. So all this sort of stuff goes in the hot pot there. That goes in hot pot. That goes in hot pot. That goes in hot pot. That can go in the hot pot. So all these things can go in the hot pot. And after, you can also put some noodles in the hot pot, and you can put some this in the hot pot. 2 tablespoons full of that in the hot pot too, which will taste really nice. Oh, finding more cakes, more lollies. Panda, hello Panda. This is for the kids. Kids are gonna love that. And we thought this was baby food, but it's not. But my young just wanted to try it anyway. And some ginger and coconut. What's this? I'm gonna try this. Ginger and coconut candy. Wow, that's really good. You should try one.
I gotta try this noodle. It's gonna be hot. Adding this ready. Not yet. 1 more minute. So we didn't use it all because it's too hot. It's vibrating. Try this.
Look this. Not sure. I'm gonna try again. Oh. Lots of flavors, oriental flavors. Delicious, but I'm not sure there's something in there that I need to try again.
Never let me down.
Very good.
Don't forget to subscribe.
Don't forget to subscribe. See you soon.